The government has eased restrictions on the lockdown and clinics are allowed to open in the red zones. The moment this happens, there will be a lot of crowd in every doctor's clinic. And since it's only people with medical condition that visit the clinic, the chances of cross infections are huge. The government is doing it for economic reasons, but you and I can choose to be safe. I'm not opening up the doors and putting you all at risk. I strongly feel that the lockdown should continue another 2 to 3 months, especially for senior and people with underlying medical conditions. How do we manage this in the meantime? Me and my entire team of 7 doctors will be available from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day for online consultations. So existing patients and new patients can call up the clinic and we will be more than happy to arrange an audio or video call with me and my doctors. All your reports can be uploaded online. Once the consultation is over, you can choose to pick up the medication from the clinic or you can have it delivered by courier. We are taking utmost care, keeping the present situation in mind with the delivery of medications with minimal social contact. For most of you who have been visiting me, you should be well aware that we have been using technology for more than a decade. And we have been managing more than 40% of our patients from all over the world online very successfully. The time has come to include more percentage of people for online consultations, thanks to the COVID. It may seem a bit strange for people who are not used to this technology, especially the older generation. Trust me when I say this, homeopathy is a symptom-based treatment and we are as effective online as we are while visiting the clinic. This is a chance for you to try the online treatment and if it works for you, which I'm sure will, imagine all those things you can avoid like travel to the doctor, parking, waiting to see the doctor, waiting for medicines, travel back and all those steps. I can only assure you with all the experience of treating patients online for the last decade and more than that, that our treatment online is as good as visiting the clinic. Please call up the clinic and fix up a time to consult me and my team. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care.